If you can play, you can play.
We are all part of the U family.
And we embrace, celebrate, and respect all of our members.
It does not matter your race, religion, gender identity, sexual orientation, class affiliation, or background.
All members of our athletic community are valued and respected.
And the unique characteristics of each and every one of our student athletes, coaches, and staff are celebrated.
Gets it inside the Wilson.
If you can play, you can play.
Creating a safe and welcoming environment allows our student athletes to reach their full potential.
If you can throw, you can throw.
If you can serve, you can serve.
If you can dunk, you can dunk.
If you can putt, you can putt.
Miami is committed to building a supportive environment for all of our student athletes.
In order to be excellent in all that we do, the U family values and celebrates all forms of diversity.
If you can play, you can play.
If you can do a front 2.5 with 2 twists,
then you can do a front 2.5 with 2 twists.
If you can dribble, you can dribble.
If you can run, you can run.
If you can swim, you can swim.
Miami is committed to its core values of excellence, integrity, passion, family, and respect.
In addition, we're committed to developing young people on the field, in the classroom, and in life.
We do all this in an environment that celebrates all members of the U family.
Regardless of race, religion, gender identity, sexual orientation, class affiliation, or background.
If you can play, you can play.
If you can play, you can play.
Miami is a community in which we welcome people from all backgrounds. Diversity is not just a word here at the U. It has real meaning. If you can play, you can play.
If you can play.